Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable the store mode on your Xiaomi A Pro TV. To do that, you have to press the gear button on your remote control to open Quick Settings menu. Then go to All Settings and scroll down to System. Here in System, you're gonna have to scroll down to TV mode. Select this option and then select store mode if you want to enable it. Then click yes. OK, and then select download store mode demo. To download the default screensaver for the store mode, wait until it is downloaded. Press OK, and your TV will turn into the store mode. Now if you want to disable it, just go back to the previous settings. So Quick Settings, then All Settings, then scroll down to System, go to TV mode and switch back to Home. Exit, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.